Today we're going to be talking about music and musical instruments. Can you guess what instrument I'm about to play? You're right, it's a piano. And the piano has lots of different keys. So we have some black keys and we have some white keys, and together they make beautiful music. So if I was going to play with my fingers, I might have to say, do I want the song to sound low? Do I want it to sound a little bit higher? A little bit higher? Or really high? So we have to decide where we want to play. You can play with your fingers. You can hold them over and kind of arch them and make a chord. You can play one finger at a time. And for some fun songs, you can even use your knuckles. There's a song called Chopsticks. And it's not the chopsticks we eat with, but the song is called Chopsticks. And if I take my knuckles and I roll them, it makes really pretty music. And then if I use my fingers, I can make a song. Bear has been practicing the piano with me, and he's learning some of the chopsticks parts himself. Would you like to hear? Okay, let's practicing the piano, and he would like to play a song together. Are you ready to hear what the piano sounds like? As you can see, there are white keys and there are black keys, and it has the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it starts all over again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we use our fingers to play all the notes. So we put our hand up like this, and we can use our fingers one at a time to make notes up and down. So some of the keys are high, some of the keys are low, and there's flats and sharps. There's so many things to learn about music. Today we're gonna play some of the white keys and black keys and play a song called Chopsticks. It's gonna sound like this. Bear's been practicing. Do you think he can do his part? I do too. It's gonna be an echo. I'll play and then he'll play. Do you know what this instrument is? You're right, it's a guitar. A guitar has strings on it, but the strings are actually metal. It makes lots of pretty noise. It's strung from the top of the guitar all the way down. Bear's also holding something that goes with the guitar. It's called a pick. Can you say pick? And it kind of looks like a rounded corner triangle. The edges are rounded. And so when he takes it in his hand and he takes it over and he moves it on the strings, it makes music that sounds like this. Have you ever played a guitar? Wow, I would love to hear some songs that you could play. Maybe you would share those with us one day. The instrument we're going to learn about now is the bell. As you can see, there are lots of different colors. Makes a really pretty rainbow with these bells. And the bells also have numbers on them. The red bell has number 1. What color is the next bell? Orange. The orange bell has a number 2. What color is this bell? Yellow, number 3. The next bell is, you're right, there are 2 greens. Light green is number 4. Dark green, number 5. The next bell, you're right, there's 2 blue. The light blue has number 6. And the dark bell has number 7. And the hot pink bell has number 8. So they're just little stickers. They're probably hard to see from the screen, but it helps me remember which one I'm supposed to play. The box of tone bells has music on the back, and it's music that I can read. Normally when we play music, we see the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But the tone bells have numbers instead of letters. So if I put the box where I can see it, I see that there's a song that we might can play, and it's a song that we know. Let's see if I can give you a clue. Something really pretty in the sky. You got it, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we know the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So we're gonna try to see if Bear can help us play the song with the tone bells. All these pretty colors make all different noises. Let's see if we can shake them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It went from low to high. So let's see if Bear can help us sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. You sing along, he's gonna play the bells. Ready? Great job! I hope that you can play the bells one day too. Earlier, Bear showed you a guitar. This time he has a different guitar. Do you know what it's called? You're right, it's an electric guitar. That means it can be plugged up and it can go into a box called an amp and make really loud guitar music like a concert. Bear could rock out. But for now, we're gonna see if he can play it without the amp. Pretty cool, Bear. Does anyone know what this instrument is called? Kind of looks like an xylophone, but in the back, it has a little lever, and when I lay it down, it looks like steps. Bear can go up the steps, and he can go down the steps. And it's called step bells. Step bells are very pretty, and they make a noise that sounds like this. Very pretty. It went low to high, and now we're gonna see if we can go high to low. Ready? If I look at the letters, I know that taking music, we have to read music with alphabet letters, just like we put words together. So the first step is C, and so a bear goes to C, and he goes one up, he goes over to D, and then E, F, G, and then it starts all over again. A, B, C. We had a C at the beginning and a C at the end because this C made a low sound. Do you think the C up top makes a higher sound? You're right. Let's see if we can make the sounds and say the letter that the music note is at the same time. The keys of the step bell. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Those are the step bells. Let's see if we can have Bear play the step bells for a minute. Thanks for joining us. I can't wait to see what musical instruments you play at your house. Remember, you can make your own instruments. You could put water in a little glass and gently tap it with a spoon. Investigate that and see what it sounds like with your family. Also, you could take a pan and a wooden spoon and ask your family if you can pretend to play the drums. You could take some rice or maybe some little rocks and put in a plastic Easter egg and shake it and make a maraca. There are so many ideas you could do to make music. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.